Hey guys, this is Leo from the best plan, P50F, and today I'll show you how to get a sample or how to shade a fab color with a human computer just in a few minutes.
So, I have been thinking about a solution. The way to fix it was to create a folder starting with more than 400 fabric samples, including the newest, just to improve the process to find a color reference. So, here's the folder that I named Canvas Mine, and then you can see all the samples here that I have for now. Let's search one of them. Hernandez Thorn, for example, and it only takes you 3 or 4 seconds just to find one color. You can see the texture if you have to make zoom on it, and if you want to see all the samples for Hernandez, you can only write Hernandez and you will see all the colors that I have. And you can see, for example, the storm. You can also see the sheetak, seal, pebble, cement, dark, el mink, the storm, and for sure you are going to improve the time just to find one color. Okay.